Hi guys, I just want to make a quick unboxing with the Hermes bracelet. So this is the box that you get when you place an order online on the Hermes website. So the box is really cool. High quality box, as you can see. Yeah, I was really shocked when I just received this parcel, to be honest. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, that's the Hermes print here, and you just get a receipt in a beautiful dirty envelope, but you still get a Hermes sign here. And yeah, the box obviously got a ribbon on it, but I took it off and it was under this strap to protect, so you'll get something like this. Hey ho. And the bracelet, no, this box is amazing, to be honest. I love the box, really. The quality of the box, Hermes, oh my gosh, that's amazing, really. Oof. So yeah, you can just have a look on this beautiful orange box, which is quite nicer than that one. And the box got the number inside with the star. It's really, this box is really nice, good quality box, but as you can see, not all boxes are really nice. Okay, and inside we've got like suede pocket and beautiful bracelet. So bracelet itself looks really nice, but the rest is really poor. Really poor performance with Hermes. I'm really shocked, to be honest with you. Really shocked. Yeah. So I'll make another video on my channel so you can see the comparison with this brand new Hermes and bracelet and the Hermes bracelet which I ordered on eBay, which is this one. And the seller said that it's 100% genuine, but in my opinion it's not. So you could just go to my other video and check the comparison between this one and this with it from eBay. Okay, leave the comments, give the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to purchase something from Hermes website, feel free, but be aware that they send items with those beautiful boxes. Enjoy your purchases. Bye.